Welcome to our Slow English podcast. Time management. Hello and welcome to Make Every Minute Count. This is a short podcast for English learners who want to improve their language skills while learning simple tips for everyday life. Today's topic is time management. How to use your time better and feel more organized. Time is something we all have. Every day gives us 24 hours. But some people use their time well, and others feel like time is never enough. Good time management helps you reduce stress, finish your tasks, and have more free time to enjoy your day. You don't need special tools. You just need small habits. Every morning or the night before, make a simple plan. Write 3 things you want to do. Not 10, not 20, just 3. This helps you focus. When you finish these 3 tasks, you feel successful, and it becomes easier to continue. If a task feels big or difficult, try the 15-minute rule. Tell yourself, I will work on this task for only 15 minutes. Start a timer. Most of the time, you will continue after 15 minutes, because starting is the hardest part. This rule is great for studying, cleaning, or learning a new skill. Working all the time is not effective. Your brain needs rest. After 25 or 30 minutes of work, take a short break for 3 to 5 minutes. Stretch, drink water, or walk a little. These small breaks help you stay focused and avoid tiredness. Time management is not about being busy all day. It's about using your energy wisely. Start small. Make a plan. Give yourself short work periods and short breaks. When you control your time, you control your day. Thank you for listening to Make Every Minute Count. If you enjoyed this episode, try using one of these tips today. See you next time. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to the channel so we can continue making more. And leave us a comment on how you spend your time.